This is NAB Show Live.
Hey guys, this is Joe here from NAB Show Live, produced by Broadcast Beat, and I'm here with Chris Shaw from Cobalt Digital. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, thank you, Joe.
Tell us about yourself. What do you do at the company?
Well, I tend to be involved in sales and marketing across the world, but I'm also of the executive management group and deal with a lot of the day-to-day running of the company.
Fantastic. So tell us a little bit about Cobalt Digital.
Cobalt Digital have been they were founded about 20 years ago. Primarily they were little throwdown boxes doing analog to digital conversion. And we were then a founding member of the Open Gear partnership with Ross. And we deal still with throwdown boxes, but we have a number of cards to go in the Open Gear frames. And I don't know if people know about Open Gear. Open Gear is a format that several different manufacturers build cards to go in the same frame. Same control system, same frame.
Sort of a standardized framework.
Yes, that's correct. So, you know, if you need a different type of product, you go to an Open Gear partner, it'll go in the frame. You don't have to go and buy another frame, a different control system. It's all standardized.
Kind of like how in audio they have a 500 series that's standardized, you just plug and play. Right. Now, what is that you got in your hand?
This is a 9904 UDX, up-down cross converter. But it's not only a cross converter, it's a frame rate converter, it's an up-down cross converter, embedder, de-embedder for audio, and frame synchronizer. But it also has the option of supplying HDR to SDR conversion, SDR to HDR conversion, which is becoming very popular for sports and some of the broadcasters. We have a demonstration over there where you see HDR being converted to SDR, and then we have a similar demonstration SDR up to HDR. So using one of these cards, instead of having multiple converters, multiple frames in a van, truck, or facility, you can just use this one to do all your conversion, all your up-down cross conversions.
That is unbelievable. It's a very comprehensive, capable unit in a very small size.
Yes, and obviously for open gear frame, this takes up 2 slots, but it's a lot of motor power in here. It's very popular at this moment in time for say the SDR to HDR conversion, which is when you're in sport and you're at a venue and you've got a camera going onto the field and you've got shade, you've got sun. This, using the Technicolor algorithms, will automatically, it's very dynamic, will automatically adjust the camera or the signal that you're transmitting, so it doesn't have a problem with the suddenly light, suddenly dark situation.
That's fantastic. Now, before we go, what's with the Emmy?
Well, the Emmy was awarded primarily to our Dr. Ciro Nerona, who's our Director of Technology. He developed a process right back in the 60s and 70s called ARQ. ARQ is now being used for RIST, that's Reliable Internet Streaming Technology. This means it doesn't drop packets when broadcasters are using this streaming, whereas previously without this RISC technology, you could send images, audio across the stream, and it would drop packets and you'd lose it. Pixelization. But now using RISC technology, you do not get that. So we have very many large broadcasters and also internet companies using this technology. So that was awarded for pioneering reliable transmission. So
that's amazing. Thank you again, Chris.
Thank you as well.
I've been Joe with NAB Show Live, produced by Broadcast Beat. Thanks for tuning in.